Made this and this with these stuff and these stuff. And don't forget about the paper. So I cut out this and I'm working on it. So I'm gonna try to show you how to cut it. If I can't show you how to cut it, sorry, but this is the way I do it now. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Whoa, I'll pick that up later. But yeah. If you notice, me and my sister are kind of funny and hilarious and kind of pretty. And I do, don't listen to my mommy. Don't listen to my mommy. Don't, no more homework. Yeah, like. I cut it out. I'm sorry I didn't show you, but I just tried my best to show you. So it's like this, and then over here is just the back, and this is the front. The triangle looks like a pizza, and this looks like sort of I don't know, maybe a whiteboard or something.